In this video, we are going to look at how to use frames in Canva. With your design page open, go over to the left side toolbar and click on Elements. It is in the Elements tab that you will find frames. Scroll down to find the Frame section and click on the arrow for More or click on See All. This will open all the many frames that Canva has to offer. With frames open, you will see options listed such as basic shapes, film and photo, paper, flowers, letters, numbers, as well as many other categories. Choose the frame you want for your design. Either double-click or drag it over to your design space. Once in your design space, you can resize the frame by dragging the corners. Now you need a photo or image to place in the frame. Go to either your Uploads or click the Apps button, then Photos to search for an image you want to use. Once you have the image or photo, all you need to do is to click and drag it over to the frame. It is kind of tricky to get it in the frame sometimes, but you will get the hang of it. Your image is in the frame. If you need to adjust at all, double-click on the image and move it around. If you want to switch out either the photo or the frame, click on it and go to the toolbar right above and click on the garbage can. It will open the options Delete Image, Delete Frame. Of course, you can just click the Delete button to get rid of the photo first, and then click again to delete the frame. You also have all the normal options for a photo at the top toolbar to edit your photo. With a wide variety of frames available, take a moment to browse through the section. You might just find something perfect for your designs. That is how to use frames in Canva. If you found this content useful, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you wish. Thanks for watching.